Miss Julia Sysалова. So the floor is yours, Miss Sysалова.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Chairwoman. It is very difficult to be brief when you are talking about your child, your business, but I will try to. So, dear colleagues, dear friends, over the past few years, working with immigrant artists from the post-Soviet space, I have identified a systematic problem. People arrive in Europe with strong intellectual and artistic potential, yet without the necessary tools to read cultural codes, communicate professionally, or understand the rules of the Western art world. This creates serious barriers to social integration, professional rehabilitation, and visibility of their creative work. It was precisely for this reason that we founded the Art Communication School. It is an innovative model that combines art, strategic thinking, and intercultural communication, helping immigrants translate their cultural capital into an internationally legible and professionally applicable form, fully aligned with Sustainable Development Goal 8, inclusive economic growth, full and productive employment, and decent work for all. Our core position is that cultural adaptation is not secondary to economic integration, it is its foundation. And when individuals understand the language of the new cultural environment, they are able to build a sustainable and autonomous professional path under the new conditions. The school is legally based within the Institute of Mediterranean Culture in Greece and operates internationally. So achievements to date. Today, we have developed partnerships with art fairs, media and cultural organizations across Europe, the Middle East and Northern America, demonstrating that our model can be upgraded and its potential influences cultural policy and professional practices at an international level. Artists from more than 35 countries participate in our community. More than 5,000 people have attended free workshops, while approximately 3,000 participants currently engage actively within the community, exchanging experience and professional knowledge. The project's social impact lies in supporting artists, primarily immigrants from the former USSR countries, and we are helping them in their social and cultural integration, adaptation to a new country, and inclusion within the international artistic community. For this, in May this year, the school received the Communication Award of the Distinction in the category of Innovation and Strategic Achievement, Social Impact from the Academy of Interactive and Visual Arts in New York.
So, dear Julia, you represent us an innovative model. Could you tell us what are the challenges of your work?
I could mention that when we are talking about key pillars of our innovative models, first of all, we are based on communication strategies as tools for adaptation. We teach how to articulate a clear artistic and professional narrative, how to reposition one's practice within international trends, and how to develop effective communication with institutions and media. We are talking about intercultural mediation through art. And here it is important to mention that immigrant artists carry complex identities shaped by experiences of displacement. In our programs, this experience, combined with their prior professional background and not necessarily artistic, is transformed into a creative resource. And this goes well with the sustainability development goal for inclusive and quality education and lifelong learning opportunity for all. We also access the international artistic infrastructure. We support our artists in understanding the structure of the Western art world and the art market, and help them to inbuild into this system. Many graduates have already successfully integrated into the artistic ecosystems of Europe and America, participating in established events and enriching the cultural landscapes of the countries. And the last one is empowerment through digital skills. The school is online to start with. So digital literacy now determines equal access to all opportunities.
Thank you, Ms. Sysalova. So